So what I want to do in this video is just give you an idea of how to read a custom design into Minitab 19. So you can see here we have our design. This first column just gives you the run order. Then we have factors A, B, C, D, and E. And then we have the response Y. So what we want to do now is copy this into Minitab, and then I'll show you how to read it into Minitab as an actual design. At that point, it will give you the resolution, the alias structure, and then everything, and you'll be ready to go. Okay, so let's go to Minitab. Okay, we're back here in Minitab. The first thing we're going to do is we want the full view on the data. Now I'm going to copy my design in. Notice I don't have the observation number or the run number. It's not necessary for the analysis at this point. Now let's go to stat, DOE, factorial, analyze, and now notice what happens. Minitab is basically giving you a warning. It's saying, look at this design was not created in Minitab. It's not read in as a designs, so we're not going to be able to do this. But it's asking you if you want to provide that information. We're going to click no for the time being because I want you to see how to do it before this. So I'm clicking no. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to stat, DOE, factorial, and then define custom factorial design. Now, once you open this, you need to tell it where the factors are. So I'm going to put A through E in there. Okay. Tell it that it's a 2-level factorial. Click on low high. Now I want you to notice it's got the factor levels in here. Now, worksheet from the data are coded, uncoded. In our case, the worksheet data is uncoded. So we're going to leave this as uncoded. Click OK. Now click designs. Now, if you're putting something in that only has factorial points, -1, 1, then we don't have to worry about this. We can basically just say OK. But if you have a block, if you have a point column for center points, if you have a run order column, etc., then you want to specify where that is. We actually don't have any of that, so Minitab is going to create that for us. So we're going to click OK. Now click OK. Now notice here's our design. Okay, we've got our run order, block, center point, etc. Now if we go up here to stat, DOE, factorial, analyze, we get our normal results, or at least our normal output. Now, something else I want you to see here. Click cancel. Now, if we go back up here to view and go to data and output, notice there's nothing in the output. Now, I did say this would give us the alias structure and all that other stuff with the design, and we're not seeing that. What you have to realize is you have to analyze the design before you're going to see all of that. So let's go back to stat, DOE, factorial, analyze. Okay, we're going to do Y in terms of terms. I'm going to bring everything in, go to graphs. Let's create the half normal. Click OK, click OK. Now I want you to notice something. We basically have what we need here, but at the bottom, we actually have our alias structure. Okay, and what you see here is the generator for this design is -ABCDE. Okay, if you actually created a column for ABCDE and multiplied everything together, you would get -1 if you had them in terms of pluses and ones. So this would actually be resolution 5 because you have 1 and 4, 2 and 3. So once we analyze this, we got the alias structure. Since it's res 5, we can move forward. We can go down here to the half normal, and we see that all we really need are E and B, and then we could reduce our model, look at residuals, all of that kind of stuff. So remember, if you have a design that's already been run and created, bring it into Minitab, go to create, define custom design, analyze the results, then it gives you all the analysis results plus the alias structure. Okay. Thank you for watching this video on how to input a custom design into Minitab 19.